Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x80073d02 that you were experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in WS Reset. Go ahead and select that, should be the best match here. And give it a moment. So close out of there once that's done, and then open up the search menu, type in apps and features. Best match should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. In the apps list field, go ahead and search for Xbox, and then select the three-dotted icon next to the Xbox listing in here, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down underneath Reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select Repair. And now, if you're still having the problem, if the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select Reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And hopefully I should have been able to resolve your problem at this time. If you're still having a problem, you can open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's the system file checker utility. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and paste it in. And give it a couple minutes to run. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video and run that one as well. And once that one is finished, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.